Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making old-fashioned tea cakes. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You will need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 cups of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, 2 eggs, 1 cup of butter, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of almond extract. Using a stand mixer, cream your butter and sugar. Now add the eggs one at a time and mix until well combined. Pour in the almond extract and vanilla extract and continue to mix until well incorporated. Decrease the speed of the mixer, then add the nutmeg and baking powder. Now slowly add in your flour and mix until well combined. Turn off your mixer, and now it is time to roll your dough. Add some flour to a clean surface, then spread evenly. Now roll out your dough. Now use a cookie cutter to cut your dough. Place them on a cookie sheet, then transfer it to the preheated oven. Allow your tea cakes to cook for 12 minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. And Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grab